Can you put it all the way in?
You're mad, right? You're gonna put your whole hand in your mouth.
Yeah?
Is that funny? Tell us something else. What else do you have to tell us today? Oh my, you had quite a day. Did I scare you?
And the bills stink, right?
And I threw up, and then I peed on myself.
You peed on Mama?
Yep. That's what I do.